Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove hyperlink in Excel. So open an Excel sheet and here you can see there are three links which are hyperlinked. If you click on any of them, um, it will redirect you to the file you have clicked to. Well, so let's say we want to remove the hyperlink. So what we will do is we can use this add a hyperlink option and remove from here. Click on just remove link. So this link will be removed. As you can see, it won't redirect you to any place. And another way is just simply right click on your mouse and click on remove hyperlink. So as you can see, now if you click on it, it's just a normal text, not a link. So these are the two basic and easiest way you can remove your hyperlink. So hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.